In this video, we are going to see the Slate example from the Mixed Reality Toolkit hub. So in here, basically, you can see some windows. There are 3 windows over here, and the main purpose is to test the interaction with the hands to zoom or scroll some content in a window. And again, this is all available in the Mixed Reality Toolkit hub on GitHub. So if you are a software developer, you can go there and you can see in the description of this video the direct link to it. And you can use as reference this code. This code is publicly available for free, and you can use it as a starting point to develop mixed reality application with Microsoft HoloLens 2. So in here, basically, if you do like this, with 2 hands, you can basically pan or anyway move around the window. Instead here, you can use even 1 hand only. You can scroll vertically, and here you can scroll horizontally. So if you want to create a menu with a Microsoft HoloLens in your mixed reality application, and you want to create something like this to scroll down a list vertically or horizontally, like a picture gallery, you can use this example as a starting point.